Welcome to my channel, AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I brought a new updates regarding PhD admission in NIT Jamshedpur. They have given notification for autumn semester 2021-22. The admission in PhD program for the following departments. In this matrix you can show what are the departments and what are the related research areas. Like for civil engineering, there are a lot of research areas in which you can select, and you can pursue your PhD in that interested areas, like structural engineering. In structural engineering, concrete technology, earthquake engineering, offshore structure, structural dynamics, effect of fire on a structure, FEM based analysis. Likewise, in geotechnical engineering also they have a lot of research areas. Then transportation, water resources, groundwater hydrology, then geospatial. uh, the second department, that is computer application. Third, computer science and engineering. Then electrical engineering, electronics communication engineering, mechanical, metallurgical and material, production and industrial chemistry, humanities, social science and management, mathematics, physics. These are all the departments in which you can apply for PhD programs. And in that department there are various research areas which you have to select during online filling form. There are department wise vacancy. They have given for institute research scholar. Like for this is for civil 9, chemical 5, computer science 4, then computer application 3 vacancy, humanity sciences 3, EC 8, electrical engineering 6, then MA 6, ME 12, metallurgical and material 4, then PIE means production and industrial engineering, total 6 vacancy, then physics 3 vacancy. So total vacancy is 69. Reservation is also applied here for SC, ST, OBC, PWD and EWS candidate. There are different categories of admission, like for institute research scholar, in which you will get fellowship, and you must have qualified GATE or NET or any other equivalent test recognized by MHRD or for a part of fellowship. Second category is sponsored research scholar, in which in this category you will receive financial support from AICT under QIP scheme or from government institutes or organization under study leave. Foreign students shall be sponsored by government or awarded a scholarship by Government of India, ICCR or other such organization or agency. Third category, self-financed research scholar, full-time. That is in this category are those who support themselves or receive fellowship from other agencies like UGC, CSIR, DST or GIST, etc. Then self-financed research scholar, that is part-time. Research scholar under this category shall be person employed in industries or R&D organization or institution. They shall be required to furnish no NOC from their employer, and the candidate will produce a certificate that he will be permitted for attending classes and examination as and when conducted by institute. Next category, faculty staff responsible project fellow of NIT Jamshedpur, that will be treated as part-time. Next category, external registration program, that is executive PhD, regular working professional personnel on of defense, R&D or listed reputed companies with at least 3 years of experience are eligible for admission in this category. There are eligibility for engineering. If you have master degree with 60% marks or equivalent CPI 6.5, then you can apply for PhD in engineering. Or if you have bachelor degree and you want to directly apply for PhD, then you must have 80% marks or 8.5 CGPA. For PhD in sciences and computer application, humanities, social sciences and management, the same criteria is given. For master degree 60%, and for bachelor degree if you have 80% or 8.5, then you can apply for that. Selection procedure, that is written test and interview conducted by the departments, and reservation will be applicable as per GUI norms. How to apply? You have to apply online, and the application fee is 1000 for open OBC and EWS candidate and 500 for SC, ST and PWD candidate. There are the candidate who are employed and wish to do PhD must submit a sponsorship or NOC certificate from employer at the time of admission, without which admission will not be possible. Check the following documents are attached to the application form. During online application, you have to put on all the documents like proof of payment, self-attested copy of SSC in support of date of birth, then 10 plus 2 certificate, degree and mark sheet, self-attested copy of caste certificate, then OBC candidate will be have to submit self-attested copy of OBC certificate issued after 31st March 2021. Then list of publication. These all are the important dates you have to remember during online application. The last date for receipt of online application is 21st of June 2021. Intimation regarding interview call to be uploaded on the institute website on 7th of July 2021. Then written test will be a written test and interview at NIT Jamshedpur will be communicated later. Then result will be later, and the date of admission it also will commence later. This is the online application link. You have to download the information browser, or otherwise I will put on this link in the description box by which you can apply. These all are the different certificates you can take down. So that's all about today. You must submit online application before ending date. And if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel as soon as possible, because here you will get all the updates regarding faculty recruitment or PhD admission. That's all. Thank you.